Today, we're looking at the 10 best YouTube banner templates for 2021. These gorgeous YouTube banner designs are a quick and easy way to add professional-looking branding to your YouTube homepage without needing to spend hours designing and editing. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription-based service that helps you bring your ideas to life. With full access to millions of digital creative assets, resources, and services, simply download whatever you want as many times as you want and use your favorite items to enhance your creative projects. Find the perfect plan for you or your business by clicking the link in the description below. Number 10. Streamer YouTube Channel Art by Slide Factory. At number 10 today, this sleek and futuristic-looking YouTube channel template is perfect for gaming, technology, gadget, and streaming channels. With well-structured files and easily editable designs, you can create your own eye-catching banner in just a few minutes. Number 9. Creative Beauty YouTube Banners by Georifix. With 5 ready-made design options to choose from, these YouTube banner templates are perfect for health, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle-centered content. Easily customize the colors and text to suit your branding for a stylish and professional result in no time. Number 8. ADL YouTube Banner V3.11 by Adel Budianto. At number 8 today, we have a clean and minimalistic YouTube banner design that utilizes gorgeous colors and whimsical vector shapes to beautifully highlight your profile photo or YouTube logo. With fully editable options in both Photoshop and Illustrator, this template is sure to impress any audience. Number 7. 3 YouTube Banners Gaming Channel Art version 3 by Supreme Tones. Next up, we have a punchy YouTube banner pack designed specifically for gaming channels. With 3 bold templates to choose from, just update the smart object with your text and logo to reveal a grungy and graphic-looking YouTube banner, customized to your channel needs. Number 6. Streamer Channel YouTube Banner Template by NMC 2010. At number 6 today, we have a fun and playful YouTube banner template pack that's perfect for your streaming channel needs. With 5 easily editable designs to choose from, this pack makes it effortless to create your own awesome-looking banner in just a few minutes. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Picabo Ink YouTube Banner by Karkin Studio. Next up, we have an edgy, geometric YouTube banner template pack. With 7 creative banner designs to choose from and easy-to-navigate Photoshop and Illustrator files, these banner designs are perfectly suited to fashion and lifestyle-based channels. Number 4. Memphis YouTube Cover by UI Creative Net. At number 4, we have a pack of bright and poppy YouTube cover art designs that will make your channel stand out online. Easily customizable and with 4 beautifully organized Photoshop files to choose from, these templates will help you deliver clean and crisp banner art to your audiences without any fuss. Number 3. Fashion YouTube Banners by Gearafix. Next up, we have a bright and airy YouTube channel banner that combines gorgeous organic shapes with classy typography and design to help you create your own awesome-looking banners in just a few minutes. With both Illustrator and Photoshop editing options, fully customizable vector shapes, and a high-resolution output, this pack would be perfect for fashion, photography, lifestyle, and travel creators. Number 2. Gaming Channel YouTube Banner Template by NMC 2010. Up next, we have YouTube cover art that's perfect for live streaming, music, or gaming creators. With a vintage neon gaming aesthetic, these templates let you effortlessly incorporate your own imagery and logos, making it super easy to create your own incredible banners in no time. Number 1. YouTube Creative Cover version 1 by Micromove. At number 1 today, we have a clean, professional, and responsive YouTube banner template that will capture your audience's attention right from the start. With 6 creative layouts, high-resolution output, and easy customization, this template would be fantastic for photographers, artists, or musicians. That wraps up the roundup of the 10 best YouTube banner templates for 2021. Did any of those items stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and open the video description for links to all of the items shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups, and check out the next video selected just for you.